Well, welcome back to another episode. There's a bit going on in the backyard. Sold the old forklift that I didn't even use. I used it like once, but I made like about 2K on it almost. So good flip on a forklift, who would guess? And then also title of the video, I'm just going to show you in 2 seconds actually. We got Xavier over here. I'm holding that secret for a little bit longer.
Yeah, keep him waiting.
Yeah, keep him waiting. What are you up to, mate?
Just fucking torture, you know, standard.
You've been sanding for the last 3 weeks.
Yeah, it feels like it.
Far out.
I bought a new car.
Yeah, Xavier bought a new car.
I bought a Subaru.
I don't know what's going on around here, but
it was $800.
It was a good deal.
It was a good deal.
Good deal. Good deal, but for some reason we've got Subarus everywhere.
Yeah.
I might as well just show you. I'll just show you now. So, we literally, me and Zara went and picked up, or Enzo gave us a push too, picked up another WRX here. It's got the NA engine in it. A mate had it that he pulled a bunch of parts off to use for his build, and then sold me this for 400 bucks. So, pretty good deal. I'm just going to take the bits and pieces off it that I need, and then I'll be putting it back up for sale. If anyone wants to buy a shelf or cheap as, let me know. It's got a lot of bog in it, like crazy amount of bog in it. Like crazy amount of bog, I mean like crazy as, it's insane. But when I went to pick it up, little did I know that freaking my mate Nick, he took the springs out of it. So it was just sitting on the wheels, and I tried to winch it up and it was just rubbing, and it was night time and we're in a bit of a hurry, and then it was just a bit of a mish, but not too much of a mish. Definitely gives me another motivation push to actually put an electric winch on my trailer, because I still have the mechanical one, like a silly spud, absolute spud. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take some parts off this, put it on my WRX. It's over there. I actually gave it a wash and it looks insane. Like, add the grimiest mold on it, looks so good. It's up for sale at the moment if you're interested. I put it on there for some stupid amount, and you can take it as is for that stupid amount, or I'm going to paint it and then I'm going to sell it for even more. And oh mate,
my bad.
You're bad. No, it's alright.
Yeah.
Oh look, Zara's just arrived.
Wow,
The pink car. How cool is that thing? It's all going on here. I wonder if Enzo's awake.
I bought another car.
That's Xavier's.
Yeah.
You both bought Subarus within 2 days.
We all have the bug now, apparently.
Is Enzo awake?
Yeah, you're a bit close.
Pink
Choose happiness. Hey?
Pink cars.
Pink cars everywhere. So yeah, it's all going on. Let's get stuck into putting the springs in that shell so I can sell it. Yeah, Subaru. Subaru. Shit. I don't know how it happened, but Subaru's everywhere. Okay, so like freaking hours passed. I finally got the stock coilovers in, or springs, suspension, struts, whatever the hell you want to call them, those thingies. I just like used some shit bolts that I had laying around to put it in, so it's not really that supportive. But finally got it in there, and I couldn't do it because before it was just like no spring, so it was like railed, like the tire was literally on the guard. So I had to use jacks, multiple jacks, and muck around, get it on there without the hoist. Now it's on the hoist. Now we can get it up and have a look under it, see the condition of the rails and whatnot. I need to take a couple of bits off it, put it on the other Subaru, and hopefully get the other Subaru to run properly, because at the moment it stalls. I'll show you that. At the moment it stalls, so need to get all the ignition barrels out. This one actually has a key, the other one, the key's snapped off, so I'll be taking out all the handles, and the boot lock. Does it have a boot lock? Yes, it has a boot lock. I needed that as well. Shit, yeah. So I'll swap those over, and then yeah, I'm just gonna lift up and have a look.
Straight into the knob.
Oh gosh. Just push it into the friggin' hill.
Another one for the collection.
The door just opened.
That's it.
wasn't even locked, it was just open. So I completely forgot to show you. There's a light on my face?
Yeah.
I completely forgot to show you, but underneath the rails are straight as. That's the whole reason why I lifted it up and then I forgot to film it. So.
Well, you told them, so it's all good.
Yeah, you need the car in neutral.
Oh, yeah.
Enzo, you're climbing up the ladder.
Nope.
Come forward. Crikey.
Alright, so we ended up moving this weapon of a shell outside here last night and we tried to push it but it wouldn't move, and I thought it was like something to do with the smaller bolts that I put in the springs at the front, but it was in gear, so I took it out of gear and it rolled straight out here. And then yeah, it's, if anyone wants to buy this and like turn it into a freaking sick ass track car, which is exactly what it should be, or if you want to make it a registered car, let me know. Because yeah, I'll sell it to you for pretty cheap. I'm just going to take a couple of bits and pieces off it and then yeah, need it gone. So the WRX here, yeah, it's going to be good to get this linkage in because it's been so shit without this. I'll show you on the next episode when we're installing these parts on how it's going to go together and be so much better. So that's a wrap for this one. See you guys in the next episode that I'm about to film right now. If you are interested in buying some merchandise, got that on the website in the link below. And if you like the video, hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Because on the next episode, we're going to be getting into the WRX. Hopefully we can make it run. Let's go.